back to my garage. Today I will try a new format when you actually can see my face. I hope I don't scare anyone off. But for me it's when I watch other YouTubers, it's more nice to see the face of people than to just see their hand when they work with stuff. Today I'm going to move on with one of my projects. There's a lot of them right now in my garage, too many, so I have to finish some of them off. The first thing I want to do is to start all over with, not all over, but I will try to finish the exhaust pipe I started a while ago to the Speedfight 100, and I have made some progress, as you see, and there was a lot of turns and bends all over the way here, and it was kind of tricky actually to get it to fit, but I thought that this was not so interesting to see. I showed you how to roll the cones, and I have welded it together. And today I'm going to fit a silencer. That's the main thing, and then I will try to test run it. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be today. It's raining outside, so yeah. But anyway, some of these days you're gonna see it in action, to see how it runs. So yeah, let's move on to the business. So I have a mark here where I want it to be, and I want to use a piece of aluminium in between so I get some clearance, and then we will try some way of, maybe I should take off my glove. I mean, duct tape is perfect for almost anything. So this is a little bit of a help to fix it, if it works. I don't know. Maybe we should tighten it a little bit, like so. Maybe I should have something more under it. What can I use? Clamp? Yeah, supposed to fit. So I just have to let it to cool off for a while. Then we're going to mount the silencer and try to fit some kind of fitting for the clamp here in some way. It is very tricky, actually, but I tacked it, and it's a little bit in an angle, so I have to tack it some more so it doesn't move when I weld it together. I think, otherwise maybe it doesn't matter so much actually. I think it will take away. Then take this away again. It's not nice, but it's working. Looks like crap. Anyway. I know how to hold it. Well, have to fill up the gaps here. Yeah, well, it's okay. So now I fitted the holder for the clamp, and yeah, you didn't see where I did, or did you? Yeah. So well, that is pretty much it. Now I have to leave it for cool off a little bit. Mount the silencer here, and well, yeah, put it on the bike. I thought I spotted one hole here somewhere too. Maybe my weld was not perfect. Here it is, somewhere. So. Okay, so this is the finished product. One piece of homemade exhaust pipe for the Speedfight 100. I know how it's going to run with it, but I hope that it's going to be okay. I've used the new program I never used before, so it's a little bit of a gambling situation. Also, I took some shortcuts here. It's a little bit shorter than it should be due to the way I have cut the cones, but hopefully it doesn't make a big deal. So I'll be back when I have it up and running, and we can see if it's a success or yeah, something else.